Hey, what is up, guys? This is Ratul here, and today we're gonna learn how to make 3D intros for your YouTube channel. And today we're gonna use Panzoid. This is an application, not a downloadable application. You can find it on the browser. Just go to your browser from your PC. I recommend PC because the PC screen is bigger. You can also make this on your phone, but the phone screen is smaller. You'll struggle to make it. So just go to your browser, any of your browser, search for Panzoid, 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 and enter. It will redirect you to the Panzoid website. Then it will load for some time. Let it load, and you'll find many of the popular intros for your channel. As you can see, this is not the limited, it's quite unlimited because you'll find thousands of intros. There are many types of intros in this website. Every day new intros come in, so don't worry about the intro. Select which one is your favorite. I'm gonna select this one. This one looks good. Then tap on open in Clipmaker. I'm sorry, cause I'm sorry. Now, after opening on Clipmaker, it will open another tab. Now, it will take some time. Now, wait for it. You'll find more intros here. My PC is not as good as a gaming PC, so it's taking some time. You can find any of your favorite intros out here. You can follow one of the developers. And now my screen is loaded, and first you have to check here. Go and tap on it. Here you will be able to change the length of your video, how many time you need. I'm gonna set it on 9.0. Frame rate will be kept at 30. You can also export it at 60 fps. Video resolution, I want 720p. And then after that you need to go to this one, objects. Tap on it. You will find group name Lightroom light. You don't need to just go there. You will need to go on this name option here. Tap on it. Then you have to just delete the name with backspace and give it the name which you want. I'm gonna just for a demo I'm gonna write this 3D. How's that? Okay, 3D, that's fine. Then I'm gonna set the height. I want this to be a bit bigger. Set it on 25. Thickness would be 8 for me, and enter to save this. And now as you can see here, it's only 3D, but the black logo is also still name. Now tap on the second name here. Now delete this and set it 3D again. 3D. I'm gonna set thick height to the 24 again, thickness to 8, and tap on enter. How's that? And now I think I should make it a bit smaller. 280 by 6 would be good. Now you can see the intro. Okay, Just go here, zoom it out a bit, zoom in a bit. You can change it any way you want. Let's make this a bit smaller. I'm gonna 16 by 6 5 would be enough. Now you can see we have some black out here. Make it a bit bigger. Make it 6. Make anything you want. It could be your choice. Now this looks good to me. Now just tap on here if you wanna check the preview. I don't wanna check the preview because my PC will start. Okay. Okay, it was the preview. My PC started lagging. My PC is so bad. Now just tap on the start video render. It will start rendering after 5 to 3 minutes depending on your internet speed and on your PC. The video will be rendered, and just take the download option. You will directly download your video, no problem. So downloading the video will not be an issue. I'm gonna show you how I have made my intro. For that I need to go to my download folder and tap on old. This is my old intro. Close that. You can add the sound of this intro is there, but my PC is not showing the sound and it's so laggy. It's not that laggy. I'm recording, for that reason this is not smooth. So guys, this is it. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys the next one. Peace.